When your Sceptre monitor won't power on, systematic diagnosis is essential. We'll walk through the key steps to identify the root cause of power-related issues. Step 1 is visual inspection. Carefully examine all cables and connectors for any signs of physical damage, wear, or loose connections. Step 2 focuses on the power adapter itself. External power adapters are common failure points, accounting for the majority of Sceptre monitor power issues. Step 3 is identifying your power supply type. Smaller Sceptre monitors typically use external adapters, while larger displays often have internal power supplies built into the monitor housing. Finally, identify key symptoms. No LED indicators suggest complete power failure, while a power LED that's on but no display indicates the monitor is receiving power but has other issues. These diagnostic steps provide a systematic approach to identifying Sceptre monitor power issues. Proper diagnosis is crucial before attempting any repairs or replacements. The first step in testing Sceptre monitor power problems is using a multimeter to check the power adapter's output voltage. This should be within 5% of the adapter's rated voltage. Next, test the power cables for internal breaks by gently flexing them while performing a continuity test. This helps identify damaged wires that may cause intermittent power issues. For external adapter issues, replacement is often the most cost-effective solution, especially for monitors under $200. Recent data shows that 68% of Sceptre monitor power issues are resolved by replacing the power adapter. If the monitor has an internal power supply and the LED lights up but there's no display, this may indicate capacitor failure. This requires professional repair as it involves working with internal components. Prevention is always better than repair. Always use a quality surge protector to reduce the risk of power failures by up to 40%. This simple step can save you from costly repairs and replacements.